All right, and then you can see like this one, I can right click and go to texture position and just kind of scoot it down, hit enter. This one's in good shape, this is in good shape. So that is like really blue. That's funny how it turned out so blue. I guess it was in shadow, but you know, it's fine. We'll just edit it. We can always like, you know, bring it back and lighten it up and desaturate, and you know, I always hit colorize. See how it gets these kind of weird colors happening? If I go to colorize, that usually goes away, and it's like you have to like hit it one notch. There it goes. Well, that's 0, so maybe less. Let's see. All right, so here's our photograph. You know, this is another trick that you can do. Yeah, because that was so far in shadow, and this one's in nice clean sunlight. Check this out. I've got my my resource folder here, and here's that photograph. I'm just gonna drag and drop it right into my model like that, and then all I have to do is, if I sample this material, all right, so this is my active material. Now I can match the color of an object in the model, or I can just simply pick a pixel, all right, and match it to that. So I'm just gonna click right here and watch what happens to the color, like that. That's a way to color match. You know, so you can go to like sherwinwilliams.com and nab those color swatches and get them absolutely perfect. All right, or at least as perfect as you can, all right, because no matter what, this is a representation of an idea. It's a rendering. It's not perfection. I mean, think about all the different ways that you can skew the color, whether it's on your computer screen or scanning the paint chip, or is the client looking at this on their phone or on their TV or on a computer screen, and then you throw in shadows, and then you throw in rendering. You know, it's not perfect. It's close. And then printer ink, if you print it, so many ways to skew the color. But so I just try not to get hung up on precision. I just say, yep, I'm gonna grab that swatch, match it, and we'll be good. So if you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.